Are my toys out fine? You're hard on my toys, little girl. And big boy's hard on mommy. Rory. Yeah. Meanwhile, my toes are being sacrificed for science. Or a video, anyway. Huh, kids? Rory, are you going to chomp on them, too? No? Just investigate all the good smells. Hi, Mama. Hi, Miley. Hi, little girl. Okay, here comes the best one. Here comes the snowball. Are you ready? Oh, the snowball is fun. Let's do the snowball again. Are you ready? 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 Here it comes. Where'd it go? That snowball's crazy. Isn't it, little girl? Huh. The snowball's crazy. Oh, you are so stinking cute, you kids. Oh, Riley. Rory, leave my clothes alone. You are very hard on them. Okay, bye.